Hi guys, this is Srinivas Stanley. So today in this video, I'll be creating this 3D part in the Catia software. So first point, this software is used in many of the mechanical industries, and the software is specifically or specially designed for the surface modeling. And in this video, I'll be creating a 3D part, that is a solid part of this 2D drawing. So the part 3D will be looking like this. So we'll try to create this part in 3D workbench in the Catia software. So after opening, the software interference will be something like this. So what we will do, we will go for start, mechanical design and part design. So after that, it will tell us to assign a name for this part. Let us give us as a test one example. Okay, so now we are at the 3D workbench of the Catia software. So we will try to create this part. First we'll create this circle which is of diameter 75, and it contains a hole of 38 mm. So we can create this. We'll go here. So we'll select the sketch and the plane, and we will create a sketch here. So the circle command, so select the center point and create a circle. And next we will assign the dimension. So the dimension of this circle is 75 mm, right? Yes, fine, it is 75. And another circle which is concentric to this circle, which has a diameter of 38 mm. Just click on this 38 mm. So guys, whenever we create a sketch in this software, check whether our sketch is completely constrained or not. So we have a sketch solving status here. We'll click on this. We can see that our sketch is completely constrained. So this is important while making a 3D part, because constrained sketch won't get a change, or it is while having a 3D part. So this sketch is constrained, so we will make exit. So now we will go for the pad command. Just click on this, and this is our pad sketch, and the height of this section is 75 mm. So I will give 75 mm as our height. Okay, so you can see that one portion of the part is created, that is this portion is created. Now we will create the base portion, that is this base portion we will create now. So again we will go for the sketch, and the sketch for the same plane. Okay, and we will create one square, that is the center square. We can select a center square here and we can create a square like this. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just trim this one end of the square which is not required. Just trim this, and I will make a relationship between this line and this line, so it will be tangency. Okay, and similarly for this and this. So select this line and make as a tangency. Okay, and now so we have to coincidence this point and this point. Okay, so we will select this point and this point, and just click on this as a sorry. So select this point, and select on this. So it will be coincidence, this point and this point. So it will be coincidence. So similarly do for this point and this axis, so it will be coincidence. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just project this curve. So just click on this project curve and select this line. So you can see the curve is projected. I'll just trim the extra line which is not required. This is the extra line which we were not requiring, and the distance from this center to this is 113 mm. Whether it is right? Correct, is 113 mm. So now we will extrude this. So the height of that thickness plate is 28 mm. So pad and 28 mm will be our thickness. Fine, you can see that we have almost completed. So now we have to create this that is this length. Okay, so it is width is 28 mm, and the height is it is same as 75 mm only. So what I will do, I'll just create this part. So we will go for this sketch command, and we will select this face. So we will fit it. Yeah, yes. So now we'll create we'll use some square command here to create this section. So yeah, right. So the height of this square rectangle will be 75 mm, and you can see that this part is not a coincidence properly, so we'll make that coincidence. So select this line and this line and we'll make it as a coincidence. Okay, so similarly select this line and make as a coincidence. Yeah. So there's another section, this one. So it is 19 mm width and the depth is 25 mm. So I'll take a square command here, which is from the center. So let's just zoom it out. So select from here and make a square. So the height of this square is, width is 19 mm. So the width is 19 mm, 19 mm. Yeah. So it is symmetric from both the axes, and the height is from this end. It is we can say it is 25 mm. 25. Sorry, one end. So we have to make for two end. Select this line and this line. Make it as a 19 mm. Sure. So we'll take this as upside, and we can see there is a radius here which has a radius of R9.5. so what I'll do, I'll just create one circle here at this point. Okay, so the diameter is radius is 9.5 mm. Okay, so we'll trim the extra line which we not required. We don't require this line, we don't require this line. Yeah. So next, so the height from this to this is, it is 25. Let me check whether we have sorry, it's a wrong command. We'll use a pan command here, pad to rotate. Yeah, fine. So now we have created, and we'll try to make the sketch constraint. Yeah, okay, so let us make this as an 8 mm. So we'll check whether our sketch is constrained. We'll make first normal. Okay, fine. So we'll check whether our sketch is constraint or not. So it is under constraint. We have to give some dimensions here. So let us make this as a tangency. So select this one and this line and make as a tangency. Fine. So select this line and this line, make as a tangency. It is under constraint, over constraint. We'll delete this. It is not required. Okay, so we'll try to constrain it. Over constraint. Just click on this radius, height 33. We don't require this one. Oh, it is not symmetric. So what we'll do, just select this line and this line, make as a symmetricity. This line, this line, this line, as a symmetricity. So now it is constraint. We'll check whether our sketch is constraint. It is under constraint. Under constraint. Oh, the radius, it is under constraint. Oh yeah, got it. So select this point and this point, make it as a coincidence, and select this point and this point, this point and this point as a coincidence. Now we'll check whether our sketch is constraint or no. It is iso constraint. Fine. Now our sketch is constraint. Guys, to be remember, try to make all the sketches as a constraint sketch, because it is very important. Because if anybody comes and make any changes, so that will affect up to the assembly level. Okay, in the 3D part. So just exit this one. No, we have to make some changes here. So go back in the sketch, double click on this. So you have to trim the unwanted area. So we don't require this one, we don't require this one, don't require this one, don't require this one, don't require this one. So exit sketch, you can create a extrude part. So what we say, the thickness of this part, the width of this part is 28 mm. So 28. So I required in the reverse direction, just say okay. So sorry guys, we can see that we are almost up to the mark. So there is one radius here, so the radius is 10 mm, 10 mm. Just click on the radius. Here it is, where you can see the radius here. Yes, you can see the radius here. Just click on this. So the radius is 10 mm. So here also radius is 10 mm. 10 mm. Yeah, we can see we are almost very nearer to that or part. So we can see that there are two slots made here, so of depth 10 mm and 10 mm. The diameter of this slot is 56. What we'll do, we'll go for the sketch command here. Just select on this sketch, so create a diameter, so which has a diameter of 56 mm. 56, sorry, it is radius 56, we have to make diameter 56. So what we have to do, we have to make a cut, that is cut out pocket command. So select on this, and the depth should be 10 mm, right? So similarly in the back side we required, so go for this sketch command and select this face and make a diameter of 56 mm. 56 mm. So back, make a pocket which has a diameter depth of 10 mm. You can see that we are almost up to the end now. Yeah, so there is one thing left here, which is the key slot. So guys, this slot is used to lock a shaft inside the hole. So just we can create this. So just go for the sketch command and select this space, and we'll make a sketch here. So this is the sketch we required, and the width is 10 mm. Just select the 10 mm, and the center distance from the width is 41 mm. So from here and here it is 41 mm. So this distance we don't require, because anyhow it will get trimmed or subtracted. So we will give one distance which is 14 mm. So check whether our sketch is constant. Yes, we can say the sketch is constant. So go back, and we will make a pocket command. So let's click on pocket. The depth we will keep as a 50 mm. No, we required more. 70 mm guys, right? 75 mm. 75 mm. Yeah, we can see that there is a pocket is also created. We'll check whether anything is left. You can see this circle is created, this radius is created, this block is also, this section is also created. I think we have completed. So yeah, so now we'll assign the color to this part. So we'll just select this part, select the each and every face of this part, this face, 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 this face. So it is taking some time guys, sorry for that. Select this face, select this face, select this face, select this face, select this face. So I think we have selected almost all faces here. So right click on this, go for the properties. So you can see the color here, just go for the brown color. Yeah, we can see that we have created the part. So same color also we have created. And we should check only the middle machine part where the machining is happened, there it is silver color, right? So we can change that. Just select on this part, this we required as a what is a brown color. Select on this brown color. So this face, this face, this face, this face, this face, and this face, this face and this face and this face. We required as a silver color, right? So right click on this and the properties. So select it as a this white color, I think. Yeah, you can see that our part one did is left here. So the right click, so make this as a brown color. Yeah, so we can see that we have created a part. Yeah, so please do subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it. Thank you.